Hello, today we'll be blowing up a cup using clamps and, oh yeah, this is an experiment. It's wet sandpaper in between these two boards and these three clamps. Now, this was the experiment the same experiment with these two, and it formed this out of sawdust. Now, I'm going to be blowing up a cup. I already did this, and I know the results, and we don't need anything explosive, no power tools, no, technically we do need thousands, possibly thousands of chemicals, but we just mostly need the very brittle plastic cup, a small clamp, or hand vise or whatnot, two wooden boards, big enough to hold it. Yeah, I'm in my bare feet and there's all the fishing crap. I don't think it's crap, but it's a mess in here. Let's see what we got. Yeah, it's pretty bad. So, we're going to be using these, except those things aren't open quite yet, and they just keep falling out. Found them. I think I might have slow-mo on this, so I'll get two. There goes one. So I'm going to be posting a video of the same thing, different cup. Oh, there's like that's a click beetle. Huh. I got two cups. These are plastic cups. Oh yeah, that one's in a disinfecting bath when the toads pooped in it and peed. Yeah, I have toads and I'll do a video pretty soon when I get to it. And now I just gotta make the setup and I'll see you then. Alright, so that's basically the setup along with that clamped around it, so need it close enough to the edge, also clamp large enough to do it. Now, these things do produce sharp shards. Be careful. Now, I have the setup here. This is the setup. I got the LEDs going. So, here's your setup. And now you just gotta see if I can angle this right. See a good shot of this action. Gotta twist that. Trying to be careful. Oh, that was loud. So yeah, it does an outline. Oh, I can feel the outline, but that's the result. Oh yeah, I had a blister from, that's an old blister, but that is the result. I can do some more, but this is gonna be a very, very short video. Alright. Oh, it's starting to crack already. It's not even that tight. Okay, so I got the setup again. Pretty thin. So let's just... I'm covering my head up, so... Come on. Come on, I know you're gonna shatter. Yeah, that's the result. And you get shards like that, and it explodes, kinda. And you get this. Then, I tell you, this is plastic. Yes, it is. Snaps with some force. So, oh, bye-bye. See if I can break it this time. No, it just goes flying. Yeah, so they do break with considerable force, but well, that one didn't. This is not a sponsor, alright? I don't accept sponsors right now. If you tried sponsoring me, I don't know how to edit. So, yeah, this is the other cup. So, before, after. I don't know what that is. Before, after. I approve. Alright, I'll do a slow-mo, and I'll see you then.